Academic Council ke Shispa Khatway ke Badai Banlong Menta ke Singi ke Lai Phui Trek Risau Arcara Pulai Hapok ke Jingïalang jong Vice Chancellor ke NEHU Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla Kumba Kalong na ke Jinglong Jingman ba ke Jingwan jong ke Joint Action Committee ke Bakentop ya ke NEHUTA NEHUNSA bat ke NEHUSU syakani ke Jingïalang ban phami shabar ki Dkhot I kumba kanumla ban shimrai ye ke Joint Action Committee ke shim da kanik sinjam bandawa ban penorlong I kimat belabu aswa Vice Chancellor ke School ba NEHU Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla kumba pau ke Joint Action Committee ke dawa ban weng mardori Rohit Prasad ubala chathung bi an kum contractual technical officer lani senior consultant ke NEHU Henry Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla ulale bom sunyau da ka bayaj laj na kendon ba lek lu ji nyau li ki matching dawa ba pher balabu da ka Joint Action Committee ba dai na markani ka la penlong ke Joint Action Committee ba ni khi tenge persha yau Vice Chancellor Hakani ka sin la laban yu I Dkhot ka Joint Action Committee la rong sha ka chaka ban long Jingïalang jong ka Academic Council bat phanoi ki Dkhot jong ka ki bon shek Jingïalang ban mino na kamra jong ki Yamanta ngin up ka ai ba ka NEHU kan shimrai bat kumju na ka liang ka Joint Action Committee
I think let's decide here. Do we enter inside and request our member to join the General Assembly here outside? Because apparently look like there are a few members who have gone in. I think we very, in a very polite manner, we can get inside and request them to come outside so that they can join our General Assembly, because that is the whole purpose of holding this General Assembly of JAC, so that we understand what are the issues and how it has to be addressed by the administration. Of course, before that we have to deliberate. Now I leave it to this General Assembly. We decide whether we go inside and request our members to come out, so that we have our JAC meeting right here outside this VC's office. Members, one voice I want. Do we get inside and request them to come outside? Yes. Yes. Then let's get it inside. Yes. No, open.
Please open it.
Hang on, please.
It is the demand of the employees of NEHU.
This is the demand of JAC. Please open.
Ki member
jogi Dkhot. We will not do anything to BC. Dkhot tangi member jogi shabat. Open it. No. What is this? We will only request our members.
All members of the council, please come out.
All members of the council, please come out.
Come.
What are you doing? This is not a security agency. Members, we request you to come out and join the General Assembly of JAC.
Members of NEHUTA.
ST members of NEHUTA, NEHUNSA, and also the Academic Council member, we request you please to come out and join the JAC, because this meeting was meant to expose what the VC is doing, and hence it is not in the interest of the university. So I would humbly request all members of Academic Council to please come out and join us in JAC.
Please,
Members, please cooperate. This is our fight. This is not fight of just one individual. Please, members, with due respect, you will never have quorum anywhere. Please, come. Please, members, please cooperate. Yeah.
Please come.
Member, humbly, please cooperate with us and please come out. We'll have the General Assembly outside. See, otherwise, please come. Otherwise, there will be anywhere no meeting. We will all be inside here. You will never be able to transact anything.
And remember, this is not about this VC, this is not about the AC, this is about
Our
all the
issues,
issues,
all members of
all
the
the wrongs that the VC has done.
And it is
Remember
not
that,
right.
keep
Please,
that in
members,
mind.
please
Do you
cooperate.
have a conscience or not? If you have a conscience, come out. Come out.
Please come out, please. This fight is, of course, of NEHUTA. Please come out. And of course, the other associations.
If you are for the wrongs that he has done, sit here. If you are for the right,
please come out.
please come
We'll
out.
explain what's going on. Please come out. Please come out. We don't want any ugly scene. Please, members, cooperate. Please come out. Note, please. I think they are all out now. Please join us. That's all. Yeah.
Your duty is to side with something that is obviously wrong. Is that your duty? Is that your idea of duty? Is that your idea of duty? Then shame on you.
No.
Shame on you.
Shame on you!
Shame on you.
Shame on you! 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 Siding with the wrong VC who is doing everything wrong. Shame on you! As a professor, shame on you! Listen, yeah. Please join us, please. All members to please come outside and we'll start the meeting now so that we deliberate on the agenda that we have put forth here so that we are very clear that what are the agenda on which we are fighting, and this is just the beginning. It is never the end. So please, members, please come out. We'll start the meeting right now.
Andy, your wife has been sitting there. She has been ready for a while now. Go for the test.
I'm
son.
already watching the test, Mom.
Son, it is important to take this test at the earliest.
Mom, why do we need to rush? What will happen even if we're late to take the test?
Look, son. You see, that is why it is important to reach on time. Go.
Within the first 3 months of pregnancy, it is important for the mother to get tested for HIV in order to prevent the baby from getting infected with HIV, so that the mother and the baby can live a healthy and long life.
Earlier the checkup.
Healthy life confirmed.
Get yourself tested for HIV during your first pregnancy checkup.